I'm going to show you how to change the game difficulty in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. First, open Minecraft Bedrock. To change the difficulty, you'll need to select the world where you want to apply this change. Click on Play, then choose your world. In my case, I'll select this one and click on the pencil icon to open the world's settings. Next, in the left side menu, click on General. Here, you'll see the difficulty option. This is where you can choose your preferred difficulty level. Peaceful, no hostile mobs spawn, only some neutral mobs appear, your hunger bar does not deplete, and health regenerates automatically. Easy, hostile mobs spawn but deal less damage. Your hunger bar depletes and can reduce your health down to 5 hearts. Normal, hostile mobs spawn and deal standard damage. The hunger bar depletes and can drain your health down to half a heart. Hard, this is the hardest difficulty in Minecraft Bedrock. Hostile mobs deal more damage, and the hunger bar can drain all of your health. Once you've selected the difficulty you want, click the back button and then press Save Changes. Now, you may notice that you can't enable Hardcore mode in a world that has already been created. To use Hardcore mode, you must create a brand new world. To do that, click Create New World, then click Create New World again. From there, select Hardcore, and Hardcore mode will be enabled for your new world. And that's how you change the difficulty in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel for more Minecraft tutorials.